All right, hey guys, this is Christopher Williams here at IML Forex. Learning how to trade. We're just doing the basics of learning your MT4 chart, learning the basics of just trading in just general, And I have a question and answer part. I know some of you guys could not make it. I know I'm supposed to do it at an earlier time. I apologize. Please, I'm really sorry for the delay, but here we are. We're back at it in the lab. So, guys, just want to share some things with you, just with trading. I'm on my MacBook, so we use the wine bottle application, just for the Mac. For the Windows, of course, it's a little easier to operate. But all right, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to put in orders, the bid and ask, um, different pairs to look for, everything. So we're gonna go over that tonight, and I won't take too much of your time, but I just want you to get the gist of everything. Something that you don't understand, all that. All right, so here's a couple trades that I put in a little while ago, back in April, and I almost forgot about it. But this is just it's my little demo, and I'm already up to that. On a sale for USD JPY. And this, I love this pair. Let me go to it. So on a daily, one thing that I always notice, I always want to go to the longer time frames, right? The longer time frames kind of shows me, in a sense, like, okay, what's about to go on right now? Like, it tells me step by step, like, okay, well, it tells me right here, these are the monthly candlesticks, okay? Monthly candlesticks. So it tells me already for the monthly, this is back in 2014, it was going on an uptrend. Back, and then, all right, now April 1st, now here we go, back on the downtrend, right? It's like every year, around that same time, was going up, go up again. Well, now on a monthly, it's going back down. Okay, so I put in the sale, like I said, back in February. Okay, oh God, I'm so sorry. Okay, so on the daily chart is another confirmation. So each candlestick that you see represents a day on the day one chart. On the hour 4, it's the same thing. And I missed one, week 1. Sorry about that. On the week 1 chart is the same thing. Each candlestick represents a week. Okay. Hour 4, same thing. Hour 1, also the same thing. It lets you know each candlestick is representing 1 hour. Okay. And at 30, same thing. So each time frame lets you know that each candlestick is for that time frame. So every 15 minutes, this is what's going on for this 15 minutes. Okay. Now markets are open, so you're going to see it going down or either going up, right? So right now it's going up. So and what I like to do sometimes on the longer time frames, I'll draw a candlestick. So now this is June 10th. Right now we're in June 13th. So I would draw a trend line from here down to there. Okay. Lets me know that, okay, this is going on a downtrend. It's going on a downtrend for a little bit. What I kind of do, I kind of zoom out so I can kind of see my shapes. Like this is an M, okay? This is the first week of June. So this is an M. As a confirmation, let me know this is going on a downtrend, right? This is a confirmation kind of let me know that. Also look for triple tops, triple bottoms for more confirmation. I'm so sorry, excuse me. So like I said, I'm already on a sale. So if I want to put an order in, I just go to new order. Okay. And it depends on my account size. Okay. This is, like I said, this demo, $50,000 in it. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do 2 cents. It's just a test, right? But I want to make sure I have my stop loss in place also. So, excuse me, I want to put my stop loss above my entry point. So I want to go up, I want to go up. All right. My stop loss about maybe right here. Wait, I think I did that. Wait a minute. Okay. If I'm doing a sale, this is how it would go. Okay. So I will put it down. I'll put it up about 20 to 50 pips. All depends. Like I said, it can go another direction on you. You never know. Okay, so I want to put my take profit. I know it's going to go down for a little bit. So I can put 105, 90. All right, I mean 900. I'm sorry. Okay, now I want to put the order in for sale. Like I said, it's going on downtrend. Oh, actually, like it's going on uptrend. I'm sorry. No. So I want to put a sale in. Okay. All right, now, so my stop loss is already in place. It's going to actually hit it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it up some more. All right, about 100 pips. Okay. It hasn't been up here in a minute. So, but this right here is a confirmation that's going up. So it's going to retrace. Okay. I always want to look for that. Let's see. I also put my take profit down here. Let me show you. So you guys can see. Let me look at the. Let's see. You can't see on here. Okay, so my take profit is down here. So it tells me, okay, so where I put it, so go down 202 pips. I'll make on that 2 cent lot, I'll make $3.81. Hold on a second.
Ah, you scared me.
Okay, guys, I apologize for that. That was. Hold on 1 second. Okay, sorry about that again, guys. Okay, so right here, I know it's gonna go. I know it's gonna go back up. I mean, I'm sorry, back down. I know it's gonna go back down, but it's testing this zone right around here. Okay, so that's the highest that it's been. And so if I know that, I always put a straight line right here. Okay, so it's been testing that range right there, 106, 273. So that means it's telling me that it won't go back up to that price again, not for a while. Okay, so it's going to continue to go back down. Okay, and it's giving you a W pattern here, and it's giving you an M right around here, if you guys can see that. Okay, so and right now it's going down. Okay, that's what we wanted to do. Right, like I said, I drew my trend line. I know it's going down. Okay, it's been going down since the 10th, since last Friday, and it's still going down. Okay, so like I said, this is one of my favorite pairs, USD JPY, good pair. Okay, and look at that. That's confirmation right there. Okay, so some people, they scalp and things like that, trying to get in, get 20, 30 pips in real quick and get out. I like to do long-term trades. I want to be able to make the most money. I mean, yeah, you can make good money with scalping too, but that means you got to look at charts all day, and nobody wants to do that, right? So I know that this is going to continue to go down, right? And it might retrace, right? I'm not 100% sure, but in this case, it does. This is what we can do. You can right-click on the screen, right? Hold on a second, I'm sorry. All right, we can right-click on the screen, okay, and put in a buy limit. All right. So with the buy limit, what's going to happen is as soon as it hits this target and it decides to go back up, it's going to hit this. It's going to target it. It's going to turn on, so activate it. It's going to go back in the opposite direction. All right. This is a standard side lot, $1. Okay. So for every $10, every pip, it'll go down $10. Okay. So I'm gonna, and then in case you put an order in, right? You didn't mean to do it, or you just want to get rid of it. I'm gonna go down here and modify, delete. You want to delete the order. Okay, real simple, real simple. And another tip to give you guys. So right here, like I said, I've been in this trade since April 6th, so I'm losing this trade out. And I bought it at price 109. Okay. Now, I bought it when it was up here. Okay. And I bought it at the right time. I just didn't get out. If I put my stop loss right here, it would have cut out immediately. Okay. But let's just say I want to go ahead and close this out. Okay. I want to double click. I want to hit close. Okay. Oops. Hit close. Okay. So that order is closed already. Okay. And I can check, and what I can do, I can check my account history, okay? And I can see the orders that were put in, okay? This is how much I profited, this is how much I deposited in my account, this is what I withdrew from my account, everything is right here in display for you, okay? And, I shared a lot with you guys about naked Forex, about how, trading without indicators. One indicator I do like, if I'm not trading naked, would be this bad boy right here, which is the MACD. Okay, kind of pretty much shows you exactly where it's going, where the trends are going, and another good pair, EURUSD. Okay, and you just want to see where the trend is going. Kind of want to look at it and see exactly where it's going. Okay. So if I look here, like it's going on a buy. Okay. That's what the next candle is telling me. It's going on a buy. But as we can see, since April, or May, I should say, it's going on a downtrend. So I draw another trend line right there. I know it's going on a downtrend. Okay. Going on a downtrend since May. Right. So we'll zoom out. So that right here is showing me it's a W pattern, but the candle wicks is what we kind of look at as far as confirmation too, because we can go based off of that. Okay. Also good tool to also use a harmonic scanner. If you're a customer, which I'm not, I'm just currently at IBO right now. Customers have access to this is FXCM. Okay. On the demo, and it'll have the harmonic patterns up here. Okay. It's a very, very good tool. All right. So that look like I said, look like it's going on a buy, and it's at price point 1.12486. So these are price points. Okay. All right. So we look at it, and look like it's going on a buy. So since earlier today, it dropped down, a nice sell. Okay. Formed the W, going up for a buy. And it's still going on a buy. So I said I look at all these time frames to see, but look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that long candlestick right there in that buy. If you'd have got in right here, let's just say you put $1 in, right, and you went up, how many pips is that? 1,874 micro pips. That'd have been an easy $1,800 right there. Okay, because you would have got in on the second elbow. You saw this forming a W, and you would have got in. Okay, on a buy, and you still would have been riding that buy up until this is what, June 3rd, right? So you rode that for a whole week and still be in profit. Still be in profit right now. Still be in profit. So this is real good, key things to look at. So right here, what I look at also, if I have a small account, I can show you one of those that I have. Right, I was playing with this last week on an FXCM, my live account. Well, I only have $16, so I really can't do too much with that, right? So I can't put a nice amount size down on a $16 account. Nothing in there. I don't really have anything for me to work with, I try to put a sell in and see the margins, the spreads are a little too wide to handle this account size. So like I say, I try to put a new order in, right? And I go in for a cent. So now I don't have enough money, right? I can do a 1 cent lot. I'll do a 1 cent lot. Don't have enough money because of my account size is too low. Okay, so let me just show you guys this so you can really get the picture. Back to my demo. Cause I go back and forth. I practice and then I trade. I do live too, but I mostly practice on demo a lot, And I noticed within one of the brokers that I use, Trader's Way, within the last 3 months, I've profited $52,000. So I know that I'm getting a lot better than where I first started when I first joined IML. Okay, but that's neither here nor there. So it's all really important. You learning the skill set that's gonna feed you and your family for life. Okay, you can pass it down to your kids, their kids, and so forth and so forth. So I love that we have access to all these different tools. And it really, guys, really not that hard. Really not that hard. I thought it was. I thought it was complicated. I started seeing it for what it is. I really understand. I started grasp this knowledge. So, my kids would be good. I don't have to worry about them for anything. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. As far as that, and let me show you guys something that kind of got me caught up last week. One of the NZD pairs, okay. One of the NZD pairs. Let me go to. So I believe might have been June 3rd, right? So let's see, because I think it was June 3rd. Yeah, it was. Okay, this went up 900 pips. So on June 3rd, there was a news alert that came out. I thought it was going to be a sell, but I was going to continue buy. I was going to stay at the buy, and it did. Kept going back and forth, sell buy, but I wasn't sure. It kind of the market kind of did a fake out. If I saw this W here forming, I knew it was going on a buy. It's going on an uptrend. Okay, market going only three ways. It goes across, it goes on a downtrend or uptrend. Okay, so you always want to get on that second elbow and ride it out. Okay, and right here from here, see, May 31st, all the way. That's what 3,209 micropips. Okay, $1 equals $1. That's an easy $3,000, just like that. Okay, and that's working its way back down. All right, but that's what you guys will pay attention to this candlestick right here. One of the websites that I use is investing.com. Okay, go here. I check the news alerts. Okay, and I can look at the economic calendar. Sorry about that. Hold on a second. Okay, I go to the economic calendar. Oops. I don't know if I can go back that far or not, but I can go to, let's see, yesterday. That's Sunday. Okay, so what was today? Today is Monday right now. Okay, so it tells me that these are impact news. Okay, GBP, which is Great British Pound. Okay, it was moderate volatility expected. Okay, so all these currencies, it's going to be volatility expected, but very moderate, not high. Okay. Like I said, I always look. So right here, it tells me at 4:30 on Tuesday, June 14th, that the Great British Pound is going to be a very volatile pair. So as a pair that you kind of want to look at that time frame, okay? Because you can make some good money off of that if you're really paying attention to and really doing your chart analysis, okay? Also, so yeah, this is a good tool to use, investing.com, look at the economic calendar. Also, I haven't went through these as well, but free money management, okay? I can share this with you guys if you want this as well, but it just kind of gives you over everything as far as dealing with losses, 2% rule, why traders hold on to losing positions. I've done that before. It needs to be right. You want to be right. You know this trend is going down or it's going up. Okay, yes, it's going to be a sell. It's going to be a buy. Come on. It doesn't work. It doesn't work that way. I know we want to. I know we want to pray that hopefully that it'll turn back around, but unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Okay. So, and like I say, if you're paying attention, which I know you are, I'll put a sell in. All right. And you have to also be patient with this. Okay. I put a sell in. So, and as I'm looking at the 4-hour chart, it's still going on a downtrend, and it's not going back up right now. Okay. It's been going on a downtrend since May 31st that I see right here. But of course, it's been going down there longer than that. But these are the indicators that I look at to let me know that, okay, I know this is going back down, right? But it's okay, like I said, you have to be patient. You're not gonna, as soon as you put the order in, you're not gonna automatically be in the positive. You're gonna be in negative for a little while, okay? But it's all about timing. All about timing when you're putting orders in. It's all about timing. So, like I said, so EUR, USD. Like I said, I look at the shorter time frames too. Right. This is right here is forming a W. So I got in right here. I'm good money. So I'm just gonna put another buy in. I'm gonna put 5 cent lot, right? it's moving right now. That's why it's not taking place. Another reason, I'm not a big FXCM fan. Okay, I'm gonna be using Talanex and probably just Trader's Way. I'm not even Trader. I'll probably be using Talanex and probably just Forex Brokers Inc. Okay. So I look at the minute time frame. I know it's going up. The spreads are very wide. Okay. So you gotta be careful. Like during the Asian session, this is the Asian session. Going into the London session, it's the worst time to trade. People don't even trade on Sundays. Okay. Because you're going into the Asian segment called Tokyo session. Okay. And on the next training, guys, I'm gonna go over the phone apps that I like using. That's been helpful to give me good tips and great study material. And if you not have already, start reading Naked Forex. Okay. Once you guys start reading that, oh, you guys can't see my screen. I'm sorry. Okay, so hope you can see this. This is my first time using Zoom. But yeah, Naked Forex. So you want to kind of go through this book, kind of dive in. I mean, even looking at the pictures, okay, was easy for me to understand. And like I said, it's all mental, gaining confidence. You can't be scared to go into the market. Okay. I know it's a little intimidating at first, and trust me, I was intimidated by the markets. I really was. I was scared to even make a move. I was scared to even do the auto trader. But now I'm going to do the auto trader because I see so many people profiting. I see how real and serious this is. And I'm going to be using auto trader. I'm going to be selling that. That's going to be my selling point now, to use auto trader, let people know about the auto trader, because you have to be a product of the product. But guess what? Being a product of the product, if you don't know about the product, you haven't used the products, you can't tell anybody about the business, about that aspect of it. Okay, so it's very, very important. All right. So, let's see. Like I said, I apologize. I'm really new at this. Okay, I know you guys can see my screen again. Just want to make sure. All right, so like I said, right here, like I said, it's not a really good time to get in, but I'm just testing it out so you guys can see it. Right, so and all you got to do is just for new pairs or something like that you don't see right here. Somebody calls out a trade, and the live signals. If you don't see it here, all you have to do is go there. And I'm sorry. On a market watch. Oh, not market watch. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I was right. Market watch. Then okay, symbols. Sorry about that. Symbols. Something that you don't see, you want to make sure it's highlighted. So if it's in the gold, that means you'll see it. You'll see it down here. So if I take USDJPY off, I'm using that pair. That's probably why it's not doing. Okay, GBP USD. So that pair was in there, but I took it off, right? But you wanted to show. That's a great pair to use. So all the pairs that you see are the ones that'll be displayed down here. And I just found this out. You can actually move them around and shift them, how you want to shift them. Okay. Those are the ones that you guys are going to be using the most. You want to make sure they're at the very top. Okay. So it's kind of like what I do. And I know I have several different accounts up here, but I want to know every broker. I want to learn how to use all of them. Either it's on the US or either on a demo or on a live. I want to be able to work with it. So right here, so it was a bad prediction on my part. This is going on a sale right now. Okay. And when I see these, like I said, the candlestick wicks are very important. It kind of gives you another confirmation of where the markets are moving to, right? Or we call it a doji kind of setup right here, right? So, but yeah, guys, this is the basics of learning how to trade on the MT4. And like I said, I want to show you guys how to do it on your phones as well, so you can really grasp the knowledge and really understand it. I hope this helps for you guys. You know, and also if you're doing auto trading, make sure you click that button there. Make sure you do that. Okay. And I'm a big fan of the candlesticks, right? But they have the lines and they have the bars. So whatever you feel more comfortable with. Personally, I like the candlesticks. It'll let me know what the next move is going to be. I mean, the line chart's okay too. I know that's going down. That's what that's showing me. But it actually shows you the shapes of where it's going. There's an M, that's a W, that's a W, that's a W, W. So whatever you guys feel more comfortable with, use it. Use it. And don't ever be afraid to ask any questions. I'm here for you guys 24/7. But yeah, that's it. So that's how you put no orders in. Like I said, and if you don't see the actual volume that you want to use, right, you just type it in. So I don't suggest you using $20, but this is how you do it. And then it's something that you want to put in for a pending order. You're going to sleep, or you want to look at charts all day. Well, just put a buy limit in there. Or if it's going for sale, put a sell limit there. Okay? At the current price now. So place the order. Let's do Trader's Way. Like I said, I like them much better as far as the demo side. Okay. Let's see, it's coming up. Okay, so all right, so now for the new order, right? It's the execute, but we're gonna put a pending order in, right? We're gonna do a sell limit, right? So I'm gonna set my price down here, just about 5 pips from where it is right now, or 4 pips. I'm sorry, 4 pips from where it is right now. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me put my stop loss in effect. And then put my take profit. Y'all want to put a stop loss. It doesn't matter if you know where the market's going or not. I want to put a stop loss so you protect your profits. Very important. Hold on 1 second, guys. Not sure. Let's do it. Let's do a different lot size too. Oh, you know what? I have to go with the big price. I'm sorry. Okay, so all right. And I apologize. I usually don't have this issue. So I hit place. And do buy stop. So I put a buy stop. Hold on a minute, guys. Hold on a minute. Okay, let's just erase this all together. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not working for me. I can just put it in with no problem. Okay, so I put it up above the bid price, not the ask price. Oh, account's not working, that's why. All right, let's see. Wait, now let's do Trader's Way live. Okay. Yeah. Never had a problem with this. Okay, so on a buy. 1 minute time frame. So I'm gonna put a pending order in. Buy limit above the price. And just we're gonna put 100. Right? What's going on? Stop loss down here. Okay. Okay, we'll do that for next. I'm gonna have to practice on that again. I'm not sure why. It usually doesn't. I usually don't have a problem with it. But give me an issue today. But it's easier when I right click and sorry about that. Put a buy stop there. Okay. So that gives you a problem. So it'll pretty much let you know that, okay, well, it's going to hit this target right here. It's going to go up. It's going to keep going up. It's going to be in profit mode, right? Or I can put a sell limit here. Like I said, I already know this is going on a sell anyway, right? So it goes on a sell. It stops. It hits the target, right? And that's it. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the video much as I did, being my first one, doing a training for you guys like this. Yeah, any questions, I'm going to put this in our Forex Traders group so you guys can have access and look at it whenever you need to. And I know, I think, Mark, I think you had a question about, hey, if it's a buy or sell. Okay, so let's go back to the one that, I predicted earlier, right? I knew it was going to be a sell. So it's continually going down. It's continuously going down. All right, that's what I look for. Okay. Also look at the daily chart too. Tells me what it's doing for the day. Tells me what it's doing for the week. So this is already forming an M. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if I back off a little bit, you kind of see an M forming right here. So it's going to continuously drop. Right? And then one thing that we also want to look at, we're going to look at the lowest point that it's been, okay, recently. The lowest one it's been back in 2013 is 98? Okay. But we're in 2016 right now. So right now it is the lowest. Because when I first started IML, I remember it being all the way up here. Okay, when I first started, it was like right up in here. Okay, so it's dropped tremendously. And guys, get familiar with your tools. Get familiar with your tools too, as well. Okay, I want to be familiar with your tools. So back to that, it's telling you that it's dropping. Okay, it's continuously dropping. This is another M. Okay. I love the fact that it's giving me confirmation that, hey, you might want to get on the sale for this. It's going to be on a sale for a while. Okay. Now I'm in the sale, right? I'm in the sale, put the order in. Okay. And already it's going to be as close to my take profit. Okay. It went down already close to 150 pips. Okay. I got in on the price at 106, 102. Now, I'm sorry. What did I say? Yeah, I got it in price on 106, 102. Now it's at 106.14. Okay. So almost 100 pips it went down. Now, actually, it went down 100 pips now. Okay. Right as we're talking about it, it's going pretty fast, So right now, on the 2 cent lot that I put in, I'm already up $2.50. So you're already in profit already. You can do this on your live account too. So my problem was I get in on a trade, right? But I get in on a trade and I'll try to be greedy. I try to get the money. I try to get back in and get another position to get in. But if you don't get in early, and it's gonna, most likely it's gonna go back. It's gonna retrace and go back up. You want to catch a retracement, so now you can double dip. So if you know it's going back on a buy, you put that pending order in. It'll hit that buy limit, go right back up, and profit on the buy as well. So it's just, like I said, this is really, really fun. I love learning this skill. And like I said, I hope you guys get value from this. And, I'll talk to you soon. All right. Signing off.